What's up guys, Andrew here, and today I am back with another video. Today, this is my review of these $5 LED strips for your monitor. If you are looking to buy LED strips, you can go on Amazon and you can look up deals and other stuff, and most of the prices on Amazon are like $15, $25. Okay, this one's $8, $45. Most LED strips are more than $10. These are $5 LED strips. I was walking around Walmart and I just happened to see them, and I needed some LED strips, as you can see. So I decided to buy them because they were just $5 and test them out. They're just like your normal LED strips. They come with a controller. You can make it flash. Like, I mean, it's your typical flash, strobe, fade, smooth. I don't know what smooth is supposed to do. You can make them different colors. I'm looking at the viewfinder to see what colors I'm pressing because I don't know what to press. You can turn them off and you turn it back on. There is buttons to turn the brightness down or up, but they don't work. I don't think they would work, but I mean, it's what you get for $5. I like the strobe because it just flows through the different colors, and they're easy to put on. For $5 you can get a 6.4 foot roll, and I still have this much left on the roll, so you get a good amount for $5 with that. And it's USB controlled, so you don't have to plug it into another plug. All you gotta do is plug it into your computer, which that is a godsend because I don't want to take up any more plugs in my computer than I have to. Yeah, these are actually good LED strips. They're better than what I thought they would be because I had some low expectations because they were $5 and I was kind of scared and they were at Walmart. But I do not recognize this brand, so I was a little self-conscious because I never heard of Magic TV, and also the website on the box is tzumi.com, which is different from what they're branded as. So now that's pretty much it for this episode. For this YouTube video. Make sure to go to my Patreon account, and I'll have an upcoming video of the new rewards that I've changed, and I've lowered the reward tiers. So there's $1, $3, $5, and $8. And each one of them is all new rewards, and you should go and check it out. My recent video is right here. My other video is right here. Guys, subscribe right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed the video. I reply to every single one of you, so better reply. Better comment, whatever. Goodbye.